Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart, the neighborhood market again, where I live. I found another mix, 36 truck. A mix, the 36, which is Tempest Steed. Really nice. I like the packaging. What else packaging? There's a back. I need the Blue Thunder, the Earthshaker, Fastro Van, Gravedigger, and Monster Mutt. That's all I need. 12 pack, 164 to 5 pack assorted. Yeah. Truck render. Yeah, without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. Ooh, this is a nice look at this, guys. I love that casting. Look at this. The white horse, that's really just like a yellowish gold roll cage. Dark blue rims and beadlocks, dark blue undercarriage. The hair's in ponytails. Like dread it. Has wings, which is nice. The teeth are nice too. Really cool. Rubber ears. That's all I got today, guys. I'm gonna get more hopefully next week. Like, subscribe, comment, sure has more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.